See, a medicine capsule in the shape of cylinder. See, this is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres like this. Two hemispheres. Stuck to each of its ends. This is a cylinder. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇలా ఉంది cylinder. రెండు hemispheres stuck to the each of the ends. The length of the entire capsule is. So the capsule entire length from here to here is how much? 14. 14 millimeters. 14 millimeters. And the diameter of the capsule is, this is the diameter. Diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. 5 millimeters. So this is also diameter of the hemisphere also. Hemisphere. So now we should find the area of cylinder. So to find the CSA of capsule, find the surface area of surface area of capsule is equal to surface area or CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, plus curved surface area, two hemispheres. So 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. So we know that మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఇచ్చే డేటా, radius is given, radius 2.5. This is radius of cylinder as well as hemisphere. That is equal to 2.5 millimeter. Then the cylinder and hemisphere also. Right. Radius is given. Now we should find the length of cylinder. So total here to here is 14. E height and then this capsule height to 2.5, and this is 2.5. ఇది రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తే 2.5 plus 2.5, 14 minus 2.5 చేస్తే then we will get the length of cylinder. Length of cylinder is equal to 14 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5. That is equal to 9 mm. That is equal to 9 mm. Why? Because CSF cylinder is, what is the formula for CSF cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. This is 2 pi r square. We know r is here. As we have r. H is length of cylinder. This is the length or height of the cylinder. H is equal to 14. H is equal to 14. Now surface area of capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square. That is equal to 2 into, see ఇక్కడ pi r, ఇక్కడ కూడా pi r ఉంది, pi r కామన్ చేస్తాం, 2 pi r. వాట్ ఈస్ హియర్? ఇంకా h. 2 pi r కామన్ అయిపోతే ఇంకొక 2 ఉంటుంది, 2 into r. 2 pi r కదా, 2 into r. Now 2 into pi means 22/7 into r means radius. This is radius. 2.5 or 5/2. The points length go 5/2, and h means 9 plus 2 into r means 5/2. 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తే సో we have 22/7 into 5 into 9 plus 5, 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are. So 22 into 5 into 2, 10. That is equal to 220 mm square. 220 millimeter square. This is the surface area of capsule.